How to change currency? Are you guys facing issues to change currency on PrimeXBT? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To change currency on PrimeXBT, first of all open PrimeXBT on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now just simply look at the top left corner of your screen where you will be able to view your profile icon. Just simply tap on profile icon. After you click on it, you will be able to view multiple options available in this section. Scroll down. To change the currency, just simply look at this option called Reference Currency. Tap on it. After you click on it, you'll be provided with multiple foreign currencies. Just simply select the one equating to your preference. If you want to change it to Bitcoin, tap on it. And the reference currency will be changed. That's it guys, that's how you're going to change your currency on PrimeXBT. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.